next product that we have on our Super Bee chain tool extravaganza channel is the chain rivet extractor, or AKA chain tool. So we'll open this up, we'll check it out, see what we're working with. So this says it does work for 10 and 11 speed chains. We've got a spring-loaded pin here. Keep everything in line while you're working. Nice action on that thread, very finely machined. That feels really good there. Of course, we do have our guide rails to hold the chain in place. And one other little feature about this chain tool is the bonus pin and spring clip. Now, like I said, this chain tool is rated for 10 and 11 speed chains. However, I happen to have a 12-speed chain here from SRAM, one of their flat top chains, and I'm just going to see if this works. I don't actually know. Just see if this fits in there. Oh, there you go, look at that. So we can actually lock that spring clip out of the way. And let's see if we can drive this pin out. One. And that's probably all you need to go right there. Oh, look at that. Push that pin right out of there. Now, let's see if it'll work on this Ekar chain from Campy. Oh, that fits right in there too. Lock it in place. Oh, I think we're gonna do it. Ha! And 13 speed. There you go.